You can accessorize your sprites to show some things that are of interest to you. So I have the letter that I want to accessorize. I am in the costumes. And then what we're going to do is, I'm just going to move this out of the way. Down below here, you see the little cat. Choose costume. I am going to get some sunglasses. And I'm going to see what comes up. I'm going to choose those. Now those are there. The problem is that now I need to get the A. So I'm going to, in here, I can see sunglasses and I can see block A. I'm going to click block A. I'm going to take my mouse. I'm going to click and drag it. Let me undo that because I got the paint. Oh, sorry. Meant to click the arrow. That'll let me select arrow, click and drag. So I select all the A. I'm going to click copy. Then I'm going to go into the sunglasses and I'm going to click paste. Now while this is all, it just moved all the way. So while that's there, I'm going to move. Let me undo that again. I'm going to select this first. And I'm going to move the sunglasses and then I'm going to click paste because I want the letter to stay together. So now I am going to repaint this letter to another color that I like. Actually, I think I'm just going to do it purple again. And I'm just going to click that there. And then I'm going to click the arrow. I am going to drag the sunglasses and I'm going to move them. I think I'm going to move them there, but I want them in the front. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click this forward. Oh, that looks cute. And I'm just going to make them a little bit bigger. And I'm going to do that. And there we go. All done. I have accessorized. So now you can see that I like to wear my sunglasses. But the thing is I only want this one. I don't want this A. I only want this A. So now I'm going to click here on the one I don't want. And I'm going to click the trash can. So now I have this one and I'm going to just drag it and move it to where I want. And now I'm ready to go ahead and work on my next letter.